Hi there, welcome to this quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can self-register for the Using Google Read and Write course or any other PD course found in the eHUB. To get started, open your web browser, preferably Chrome, and navigate over to the eHUB. There's a couple of ways you can do that. You can click on NE-CDSB bookmarks in your bookmarks bar in your Chrome browser and select eHUB, or from the board website, using the links on the bottom, click over one and you'll see the icon for the eHUB. Click on that. Once at the eHUB, enter your login credentials. These are the credentials that you use for logging into Google, checking your email, etc. Once you've clicked login, you'll be taken into the eHUB. On the left, you can see any courses that you are already registered in, so you may already be registered in the Google Read and Write course. If you are, that's fine. You can also check up here under the course waffle to see what courses you may be registered in. To self-register, go to the left and click on the Teacher's Toolkit. Once you're in the Teacher's Toolkit, you can click on the self-registration icon. Once you've clicked the self-registration icon, you'll be able to see a list of a number of courses that are available for self-registration. To register for the Read and Write course or any of the courses that you can see on the list, simply click on the course offering name. Once you click on the course offering name, the course will pop up. If there's a description, that will pop up. All you need to do is go to the right and click on Register. The registration form will automatically populate your first name, last name, your email, and your unique org identification number. Press Submit, confirm the information, and click Finish. Once you have been registered, you should be able to immediately go to the course or click on Done, or register for another course. In this case, let's just click Done. There is sometimes a slight delay in registration. It can take just a couple of minutes, but you should receive a confirmation to your email when you've been enrolled in the course. Here's mine. So now we'll navigate back to the eHUB, and I should be able to see that course listed here. And there it is, using Google Read and Write to support learning. If you don't have it pinned, you can pin it so that it shows up here under your My Courses widget. And then when you're ready, you can click that course either here under My Courses or here in the course waffle, and that'll take you into the course. And you can begin with the introduction. It will walk you through each part of the course and each segment of the course. So it'll tell you exactly what has to be done. So that's how you register for the Using Google Read and Write course or any other course that you may want to register for in the eHUB.